Hello guys, my name is Lisa and I'm going to tell you about volcanoes. I'm actually going to make a volcano erupt. So first I'll tell you the ingredients to make a volcano blast. Erupt, don't get confused, yeah. So this is baking soda. We need 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Then I have this mixture. We need half bottle of vinegar, little bit soap, and we need little bit food coloring. So first we will need to put all our baking soda in. Okay, this much. Then we have to put this into our mixture. Actually, so first I have to see the whole ones. So if it is alright. Yeah. I'm not so sure, but okay. Okay, let it be. Oh, it's kind of looking weird. Yeah, now it's good. I fixed it nicely. So I've got a bit more. I'm putting so much and then I'm all spinning over. So I'm just doing this here. Wow, guys, so cool. I've never seen a volcano. I'm just gonna add that a little bit. Yeah, again. Oh, it's going faster. It's really like the runny volcano. It's gone all over. Yeah, and even my hands. Thank you.